Maintaining a good negative keyword list is a big part of proper keyword list management. So what is the negative keyword list? It's just a list of keywords that you do not want on your website. So let's look at our keyword grids here. You can see we have several keywords in our main keyword grid, and we have several keywords in our temporary keyword grid. Now in our example website, we were making a carb-free diet SEO optimized website, and we mentioned that the Atkins diet is a competitor of our client's project. So let's assume that we don't want to see the word Atkins whenever we're working with this project. In fact, we'd like the word Atkins to be immediately sent to the blacklist. So we'll click on the negative keyword list tab and type the word Atkins. Then we'll click the apply button. The output box here on the bottom tells us which actions were taken. Let's go back and look at our main grids. You can see here that many of these keywords are now red in both the main keyword grid and the temporary keyword grid. You'll also notice that the black swatch is now the selected swatch, indicating that this keyword is now assigned to the blacklist. Whenever a keyword is red, that means it's on the blacklist, and you can also of course see that just by looking at the blue outline that's around the actual black icon here. This is very useful because of course if we never want to actually see the words that we're not going to need, we can just filter by the white and gray list, and you'll notice that the blacklist is no longer visible. This is really useful because a lot of keyword management is just removing noise from your project. Now the next thing you might notice in this example is how we can still see the word Atkins and Atkin without the S. This happens a lot in SEO. You get various derivative keywords or misspellings of keywords or plurals of keywords. So let's return to our negative keyword list and type that in as well. The singular form, A-T-K-I-N, and the misspelling. And then we'll click apply again. Let's return to our keywords tab, and you can see we've eliminated even more words. Now there are still a couple more misspellings here like Akins, and this one is Atkins diet with no space, and this one is the Atkinson space diet. So of course we can return to our negative keyword list and type those as well, or we can do a trick. We can alt click on the word and Keyword Researcher will add it to the negative keyword list for us. Let's try the next two. So I hope you can see what a time saver that is. Pressing Alt on your keyboard and then clicking on a word that you know that you will not need will automatically send this word to the negative keyword list and apply it to our project. This is really useful because it allows you to very quickly go through a very large list of keywords and remove the keyword phrases that you will not need for the project.